Okay, this is Kevin again with Reverse Gear. Today we're going to do one of my, what does Jay Leno call them? His reverse, yeah, that's restoration blogs. Well, this is a vlog video. Whatever who. So I'm working on my 65. Gary's 62 Ghia is still here because I'm slow. Anyways, I'm restoring, sort of, well, as best I can, the speedometer for my 65. Yes, it's a speedometer. Anyways, the people call them jellies or whatever. The little, I think it's practically the same material as Scotch tape, cellophane, or cellulose, whatever the British call it. Instead of whatever Scotch tape, they call it something funky like cellulose. Anyways, or silly tape, I don't know. Anyways, I'm restoring those. I already did it. As you can see, ooh, look, lights, and even the blue one lights up now. So anyways, what's the down and dirty, cheap, and easy way to do this? Turn it around so you can see. You can't see that one, but it's pretty much done the same way as the red one's done. And the green one, as you can see, clearly it's a piece of this stuff. I'll even let you look at the part number, of course, how good it is. I can only get green because everything else said discontinue. I got this at a place called Hobby Bench here in Phoenix, or Flagstaff, wherever I am, I don't remember. Anywho, now on the blue, the red, what we used to do, and what I had to do, because I couldn't, like I said, couldn't get any red, and I had to get the Tamiya paint, because the testers, they didn't have, this is transparent, or translucent paint for doing taillights, and then I just, as you can see here, I just cut pieces of this, sat there, laid it right there where the red paint is, painted it, let it dry, got it, on the green I had to lay 3 layers to get it to where it was. This stuff's real transparent. But anyways, I think it's for putting green windows in your airplane, because that's where I got it. And then on the blue, I just used regular tester's paint and just thinned it down to it working. Anyways, to get this little doohoo that holds the lights out, there's just 2 screws there. Same thing with this doohoo. There's 2 screws. It is a pain in the neck to get out, so I don't know if I could, let's see if we can try and show you putting it in. Do this with one hand, like all professional YouTubers, I'm sure. Cutie Pie and whatever those guys do that. So this is how easy it goes in. Yeah, it goes a lot easier than, it dropped right in. But getting that back out. What? Oh, sure. Now you come out easy. I don't want to use a lot of words that would get me demonetized right now, because I fought forever getting that out. Anyway, that's all it was. If you can find that stuff, I'm gonna actually look online and see if I can get this in blue, red, yellow, or amber, and orange, so I can keep taking forever on Gary's car, and I'll do his too. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll see ya. Throughout, Baron.